Welcome to Recipes. Today's recipe is curry noodle soup. 2 tablespoons of refined coconut oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, minced. 2.5 tablespoons red curry paste. 15 ounces coconut milk. 3 cups vegetable broth. 1 tablespoon agave. 8 ounces of rice noodle. 7 ounces tofu, cubed. 2 cups broccoli floret. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon lime juice. Salt, to taste. Fresh cilantro, to serve. In a large pot, melt the coconut oil over medium heat. Once the oil begins to shimmer, add the garlic and ginger and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, until fragrant. Add the red curry paste and cook another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the coconut milk and stir well until the curry paste is evenly distributed. Add the vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add the agave and rice noodles, and cook for 2 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Add the tofu, broccoli, and bell pepper, and stir to combine. Cook for 3 to 5 more minutes, until the noodles are cooked and the broccoli is tender. Stir in the lime juice and add salt to taste. Garnish with cilantro and serve immediately. Now eat and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when a new recipe is released. Thanks for watching.